you ever checked the back of a marshmallow bag? Corn syrup, preservatives, artificial flavors. No, thank you.
Today we're going to make marshmallows. Soft, fluffy, and completely corn syrup free. And the real secret ingredient that makes them bounce just like the real thing might surprise you.
Stick around. I'll show you how to turn simple ingredients into soft, melt-in-your-mouth marshmallows you can actually feel good about eating. So here's our secret. Grass-fed beef gelatin. It's what gives these marshmallows their soft, bouncy texture. No corn syrup needed. And beyond texture, it's actually good for you. Gelatin is a natural source of collagen, great for joints, skin, and even gut health. I love finding little ways to sneak more of that into my recipes. We'll heat our sweetener and water until it hits about 240 degrees. That's the magic softball stage. I'm using allulose here because it whips up beautifully, just like sugar, but without the crash.
And I like to use the laser gun. Not only is it good for cooking, but it's good for playing with cats. Oh, Maury. Back to work.
Once the syrup is ready, we slowly pour it into the gelatin. Start mixing, and here's where the magic happens. Watch this transformation. It goes from liquid to fluffy clouds in about 12 minutes. You will know when it's done when you see stiff peaks, just like when making meringue. Prepare a baking dish with parchment paper, pour, and spread. Then let it set, either in the fridge or on the counter for a few hours. When ready, cut into soft, pillowy squares. The texture is just like the store-bought kind, but healthier. And just like that, homemade marshmallows that melt in your mouth and fit right into your wellness journey.
Good ingredients, simple process, and a treat that you can feel good about sharing.
Maury says thanks for watching and go make something sweet.